Habaikiran bagi nong patai kubor Myntri rangba ke jela Meghalaya ulong baka Kynhun Myntri kala ajing menjur ban penkelano ke kendon jo kejing ete kular nek amendment of agreement da kejing temu ban play ke Orchid Resort Mawkasiang bantaino ke Kyrdan 5 star ukonrat kongkal sangma ulong baka Kynhun Myntri kala pentemai ki kendon jo kejing ete kular ke banlong kumbala ai nek benta ke jingtai ki 5 star hotel ka baki hab ban thep ke pisa ke basan klor tengka kabade kejing thap pisa kabatang sheet sien lani ke one time deposit baru ya ka sau nak shispa nak kejing yo kamayo na haban siyo syak sarkar Meghalaya ke MTDC kini kindon kendai shibenta jong kejing it akular bat shisien bagla menjur kani ya kejing ajing bit bante no syak 5 star hotel on sai syak ni ke Kynhun
to enable Orchid Resort Mawkasiang, New Shillong to develop into a 5-star category resort. As you're aware that the Mawkasiang Orchid was tendered out, was leased out, and the concerned parties who got the project got the permission to start, or to take over the property and the property is leased out, and they're running the property. But there is a demand from them to allow them to invest and make that property into a 5-star, because right now it's not, by the investments being made by them, by the private sector. And so based on that, obviously the terms and agreement of the lease have to be amended. So this came to the cabinet today, and we have decided to amend it based on the similar clauses which have been given to other 5-star hotels developments, which is basically that they have to put a deposit of 5 crores, one-time deposit, and also 4% of the overall turnover has to be given to the government of Meghalaya, the MTDC. So those terms and conditions will be, as part of the agreement. And once they accept that the permission to upgrade it to 5-star hotel will be, 5-star category resort will be given to the concerned party.